Good morning to everybody. Today I will show you how to do a nano treatment. Let's start to introduce the cartridge into the nano cell equipment. I open the cartridge, I check that all the plastic paper are gone. I connect the tube, I choose the siliconic head, and now I start the treatment. Turn on the machine, and that's the nanorization is starting. What we are doing now today is a treatment for head and shoulder that is the one we do normally in case of migraine, in case of hormonal disbalance, in case of fibromyalgia. Let's say is the first treatment to welcome someone with different imbalance to feel better. So we start from this point, that is the neck point and the starting point of the back, and we also use reflex just in prepare the next position. Normally the nanorization starts in nanorize 1 minute per part. The ear, this is an area we treat to give an amount of nanoparticles to the body, so our organism is okay to manage this good ingredient, this good matter enter in for the priority the body has. So after treating the earlobe, we go on the back part of the ear, that is an area of the neck that is considered a reflexogen area of the little intestine. So it means that we are not only relax muscle here, but we are also improve the intestine and the full metabolism. You know that most of the problem we have today is because we are not good in metabolize the right amount of sugar, fat and protein. So basically we have to give an input to our body to take care also of the good nutrition. You can see this smoke exit from the cups. This is because I'm now using mineral salt cocktail cartridge plus vitamin C, and the composition of the salt is very dark. That's why the biggest nanoparticle could be seen by this fog, but if we touch it, it's not vapor, it's not water, but that are nanoparticles. Now we are going to prepare the other sides of our area, and so we go to treat the other earlobe. While we reflex, I'm doing preparation of the area here on muscle, because here is the area where we normally have tense. When you have the pain, when you have migraine, when you have an inflammation, your shoulder and neck muscle are always tense. That's why treating this area is always good in the first part of the nano protocol. Basically, nourish one area to nourish the full body and to balance all hormonal and emotional problem we can have. So this is a sort of treatment we always do in the first 3 sections, but it's good also when you do a protocol for, let's say, knee, for example, to always start with these 5 minutes in this area.